Everybody, it's PG Dog. How y'all doing? And I know Gabe is watching this because, yeah, hello Gabe. So, what we're gonna do today is play Minecraft. I don't know which one. We're gonna go all the way up. Create new world. Creative. Put it in peaceful so I don't die. Yeah, leave it like that. I think it should be a stronghold village. Everything's set. Alright, let's play. I'm sorry about the long wait. Alright, here we go.
You have what it takes to become a monster legend. Breed cute baby monsters and fight in epic battles. Feed your monsters and enhance their powers to level up. Select your team and become a monster legend. Monster Legends. Download now for free.
Gabe, you should download that game. Monster Legends. Alright, wait for the game to start glitching. It's this. And it's done, so. Where will I build a awesome base? Should build a base where it's like nice and big, where nothing else we can disturb you, like right here. Alright, right here. Alright, let's fix this. Alright, what's all that? Fake particles. Got these fixed. Oh, the controls. Controls? Sensitivity. No, wait, I put it right somewhere right here. Right there. Here we go. The sky's really bright today. Now, find a place big and nice like this. Hey, over there. I don't know what the cows are doing. Well, get the big space building a hut or something. Go here. So you probably know that. Alright, so let's get this for the sidewalk. Well, this is brand new. That is a block I've never seen. Alright, so we'll start on the outside of the house. So there goes the brace. Now let's get this piece, the floor in. Fill in all the floor. And Probably in the next video, I might be building like some kind of school or something. Alright. Let's finish this up. Alright, here goes the floor. Now, get this in stone. Fill it all the way on the outside. Until you get it all the way around. So, after you get that all, so you have a little hut like that. Won't you like go up and go high? So we got that. Let's do this. So this should be like the little sidewalk. Then that. Roll that up. Fill that up. It doesn't matter what your house is made of unless you make it out of this stuff, but I would do this stuff because it would be a little better. So we're gonna finish this side off. So here goes. So you're gonna go, woo! Hey, it's a party! There goes your house. Probably go. So let's make that little bedroom looking type of thing. The door to your bedroom. So you're gonna make a little room right here. Go through room and stuff. Now we're gonna fill in the top floor. Get out, Sky. take you to the kitchen. That little step to go up into the upstairs room. Wait, so like. So there we go. We got that part of the room done. Go. Alright, so we got all that built in. And we're gonna bring this all the way across. So we got that little room. Right there. Get your little house. So I guess in my next video I'll be showing another one, guys. Wait, hold on, Mia. Oh. Alright guys, I guess I'll see you in my next video. I hope you guys like this one because I would love you to watch another video of this. Of my PGR Kingdom. But so since it's getting dark, guess alright, here we go. Alright, I guess since you guys are watching my next video, hope you guys like my next one. Bye guys, and see you guys in my next episode. Probably the